How to change profile picture on Pinterest mobile app. So let's go. Open the app. Go here, click on your profile picture. And click on your profile picture again. Now, you get this option, change profile picture, click on it. And you're just gonna choose what picture you would like to have on your profile. I don't know, I'm gonna be Gordon Ramsay now. So click on it, click done. And this is how can you do it. This is how can you change your profile picture. So I'm gonna show you one more time, guys. Open the app. Go here, click on your profile picture, down in the corner. Click on it again. Change profile picture. And now we're gonna choose this one, this cat. All right, click done. And that's it. It's pretty easy, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe to the channel so I can do more videos like this in the future. And have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.